sa tulong ng adlaw. Wa gyud ni accept. Bahalag malay, bahalag kuan dinit ni tungag imong daan. That means you enjoy and you learn something from what Coach Dodd has taught you. So congratulations to all of you. And as we part ways in about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I would like to akong i-kuhan sa inyo ang kaugalingon na pwede na mo matudlong with confidence. At least na-covered din Coach Dodd tanan na aspects sa coaching, the skills, psychology, diet, nutrition, physiology, and psychology. So, kana mo na importante to make a good boxer. Okay, congratulations once again. And
over the last 3 years, and whatever you're training for.
Thank you very much.
Nagpasalamat po kaninyong tanan na huwag yun isibat-sibat. Ako ginagkalipay nga nitampong yun po sa tulungan ko.
Is hereby presented on November 22 to 24, 2021. Given on this 24th day of November 2021 at Chowsi Gym in Barangay Ermita, Cebu City, signed Don Agnet, the National Training Director of Philippine Boxing Team, Ronald Chavez, Head Coach of the National Men's Elite Team, and Violito Paila, the Head Coach of National Youth Team, and of course, the Regional Director, Lorenzo C. Regional Director of Boxing. Okay, let's start.